see the fleet-foot host of men who speed with faces wan. From farmstead and from thresher's cot, along the banks of Bann, they come with vengeance in their eyes. Too late are they, for young Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Toome today. Oh, Ireland, Mother Ireland, you love them still the best. The fearless brave who fighting fall upon your hapless breast. But never a one of all your dead more bravely fell in fray than he who marches to his fate on the bridge of Toome today. Up the narrow street he stepped, so smiling, proud and young. About the hemp rope on his neck the golden ringlets clung. There's ne'er a tear in his blue eyes, fearless and brave are they, as young Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Toome today. When last this narrow street he trod, his shining pike in hand, behind him marched in grim array a earnest stalwart band. To Antrim town, he led them to the fray. But young Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Toome today. The grey coat and its sash of green were brave and stainless then. A banner flashed beneath the sun over the marching men. The coat hath many a rent this noon, the sash is torn away, and Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Toome today. His pike flashed in the sun, then found a foeman's heart. Through furious fight and heavy odds, he bore a true man's part. And many a red coat bit the dust before his keen pike play. But Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Toome today. There's never a one of all your dead more bravely died in fray than he who marches to his fate into Bridgettown today. True to the last, he treads the upwards way, and young Roddy McCorley goes to die on the bridge of Toome today.